For the best part of 3 years on this channel, I've said to you guys that having a video on your Etsy listing actually can help double your conversions. And don't take my word for it. Actually, Etsy tells you exactly the same. So on this video, I'm going to show you, just prove to you how videos are really powerful on Etsy. And then I'm going to show you a fantastic, unique way of creating your videos using my favorite design and editing tool, Kittl, and how you can stand out from the crowd and convert even better. So check this out. So as you can see, I'm on Etsy right now, and look at this. Look, right? These are mug designs, right? Mug wraps, and you can see this is a bestseller. Why? Because it has a video that's definitely helping it, right? Let me just scroll down. Look at another bestseller. This is another video, right? On my right, this is another video you can see here as well. But you see, I'm going to show you a way of doing a video for whatever product you want to produce, because having a video for any listing will help you convert those sales. And the way I'm going to show you how to do it is going to be in such a unique way, and nobody out there has done it like Kittl does it. And generally, the ones with videos tend to do better. This is another one, but you can see that the way they actually have the video is just something that's rotating. And here's another video. And remember, these are popular nows and bestsellers, and they're bestsellers for a reason, because they actually help convert. I'm going to show you a way of creating a video that is way more creative and really will help you stand out from the crowd with whatever product you want to produce. So check this out. Okay, so I'm on Kittl right now, my go-to design editing mockup tool. It literally does everything. And now we have Kittl Video, where you can actually change something that's static, an image, into a video. And let me tell you something, this is absolutely phenomenal, right? And if you want to actually stand out from the crowd on Etsy, then you're going to need this. So I'm going to show you the whole process, right from creating the design using AI to actually having the mockup and having a video mockup, right? An animated mockup. So check this out. Now, step one is I'm going to be looking at doing some kind of floral designs, which are actually quite popular on Etsy with regards to mug designs, right? So I'm going to keep it real simple for the purposes of this video. So obviously you can create a prompt as you do. And remember, Kittl has fantastic suite of design models, right? Like from Dream, ChatGPT, Flux, Ideogram. I mean, Nano Banana is one of my favorites, which I'm going to show you today. It's amazing, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to just very simply put a prompt, which is a string of words. But like I said, I'm not going to overcomplicate it. You can get into a lot of detail, but I'm just going to keep it really simple. So I'm going to say, create a bouquet of wild flowers in a watercolor style. Okay, really simple, nothing too complicated. I can get into detail, but for this video, I'm not. And remember, guys, look, I've got 25% off all the plans, and you can try it out for free. So if you use my promo code AJYT, honestly, you will not regret it. It is absolutely phenomenal. But let me just show you very quickly from design to mock-up video how quickly this can be done. So first of all, I've done a string of words. Remember, kept it simple. Click generate. It's going to be done in the Nano Banana model style, which I really like because it looks just so professional and it's quick. It's about 15-20 seconds to generate. I should have said on a white background. I tend to forget that. See, I knew I should have put on a white background. So that looks really nice, but I'm going to delete that and say on a white, see if I can spell properly, background. All right. Always forget to do that. Okay. So hopefully it's going to come up with a watercolor style bouquet of wildflowers in a watercolor, on a white background. Again, it's going to do it really quickly. This is what I like about this. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, what I'm going to do now is, like I said, I'm going to keep it real simple. So I'm just going to just get rid of that quickly. I'm going to say now, let's say I want this image on the mug, right? Remember, I'm looking at doing a mug video. Again, different to what I've seen out there. So I'm in control of this. I can do the video in any style I want. Step one, I'm going to go to something called mockups, which is in the top left, well, not top left, on the left side panel, right? Lots of tools here. So click that, right? And then I'm going to search for a sort of mug image. That's what I'm looking at first. So I'm going to say mug, and then I'm going to see what kind of mug image is out there. In fact, if I wanted to, I can actually create it as well using AI. That's how amazing it is. But I'm just going to look and see any kind of lifestyle cool ones out there that I can use, especially if someone's holding a mug, because I really think those ones tend to work best on Etsy. You know, someone holding the mug would be really, really good. That one's quite good. That one's quite nice. This one's quite nice. The second one also. But let's see what else. That's quite good actually. Yeah. Yeah, that's quite nice. I like that one. Quite clear. It's really nice images, by the way. Lots of really cool images. And like I said, I can, if I wanted to, I can actually just create one in AI. That's nice. That one's good. Do you know what? There's a few good ones, right? There's a few good ones. Now let me just go up because I kind of like the lighter one. That's kind of it's very clear. Although I can choose anyone really. Let's go with this one. Let's go with this one, right? So what I need to do now is let me just reduce the size of this so you can see what I'm doing. Let's just get everything in here. So where you see the sort of luminous bit where it says place your design, nice and clear, you kind of drag your image in here so that it can show up on the mug. So let me do that first. I'm just going to literally drag the flowers image and put it in there. It's a bit too big, so I'm just going to reduce it a little bit so it just sort of fits nicely. Okay, that fits in lovely. And can you see? It just sits fantastically well, right? Look at that. Look at that. Look how amazing that just looks just by itself. Okay. Um Obviously I can increase the size. Look, if I wanted to, look, I can make it bigger. There you can see how it's increased the size. You know, I can slightly get rid of some of the background. I sort of can do what I like. I can clean it up a little bit. And remember, you can also clean the background. You can do what you like with it. So it actually really does match the mug. Okay. And actually, you can see, look, if I wanted to increase the size of the design anyway, just on the mockup itself, I can do that. You can see it here, which is really cool. So you can see I can just increase the design. So what you can see is you can see that I've increased the size of the design onto the mug just so that it really just fills up. Can you see that? All right, it's really kind of just filled it up nicely. Looks fantastic, right? Really good. Let me just go back and reduce it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna I'm gonna go to add video board. And this is where the magic happens. This is where I can actually um, move it around how I want to. So I'm going to go to add video, click that. So this comes up, okay? And then what you need to say is you need to say how you want it to work. So I want to say move mug from side to side and up and down, right? Because I want it just to just the person's hand to kind of just move it around. I don't want it to be too crazy. Now, what you'll also find is that the timing is really good. It's about 5 second video, this one. And you can see it's using Kling, which is amazing. Like they really got all the models in Kittl. It's crazy. Now, I'm going to generate this. Let me just get rid of the side panel here. I'm going to generate, right? So it's generating right now. And it's going to take about 2 minutes to actually do this, which is actually really good for a video of this kind of quality. And like I said, you can actually change the size, you can actually import it, you can download it, you can make sure that the sizing is correct in terms of for an Etsy listing. There's a lot of things that you can do with it. But essentially, what you're getting is you're getting a video that is actually moving in the way you want it to. It's not a set sort of way where it kind of just rotates because it's on a rotating sort of style that is only in, on a rotating style that a platform has. This is actually you being creative as a director, video director, and moving that, creating the animation how you want to. And this is the side that I keep saying. This is the unique part. is that you're going to stand out from the crowd because of this uniqueness. So you need to be jumping on this as soon as possible, because honestly, I'm telling you, a lot of people are going to start doing this. Okay, guys, a moment of truth. Let's say, look, I've said that I want to move the mug from side to side and up and down. Let's see what it does. Like I said, the actual, video itself is the square video in the middle. So, like I said, which is actually perfect for Etsy. And now, if I clicked play, you can see that it's moving from side to side and actually up and down, right? Now, I can do this as quick as I want. I can change the style. Now, just that in itself, I can move closer to the camera and out. I can make it a lot more dynamic, but I just wanted to demonstrate what it is that what I said it does, moving from side to side, like it's just twisting it side to side and moving it up and down. And you can add to this prompt, you can change it up, you can make it more dynamic, you can do whatever you want with it. And that's the beauty about this. Just get this quickly, play around with it, because it's going to make a huge difference. I'm telling you now. But yeah, that's it. All you need to do then is obviously making double check you got the right sizing on the side. You can download it, export it. Um, if you want, you can just download it quickly here. You can see export as an MP4. So this is all you need to do. This is changing. This is going to change the game, guys. Look at the quality of it. It's going to change the game. But just to show you, the and this is going to help you stand out massively from the crowd, because when people hover over your listing, they're going to just see something that's totally different from everybody else. And this is the beauty. There's uniqueness in every single prompt that you said. Do check out the link in my video description. You get 25% off. And it's not just 25% off the mockups that you can do, it's the whole design suite. It's the designing, which I showed you through the prompts, from the AI designing right up and through to the video editing, the whole suite. Just use my promo code AJYT and you'll get that discount. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, remember, please drop me a comment below and hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.